This is a video on how to remove your harmonic balancer from your vehicle if you are either just trying to get something behind it or you're replacing the harmonic balancer itself. It's on there very, very tight, and you're likely going to need a special puller to get it off. So when it's up in the car, it'll be facing you this way. So that piece on the end there is the shaft that's going to go into the crankshaft. So it'll be up something like that. It'll look different with every vehicle, obviously, but we're going to be dealing with these 3 holes here. And then a special tool from AutoZone that I rented. I'm sure you can buy the tool as well other places, but this is their free loaner tool program, so I thought I'd give it a shot. And basically we're going to be using, when it's in here, it's going to look something like that. What you're going to do, they have different sets of screws here, just different thread sizes for different harmonic balancers. So just try out all of those, see which one works for your harmonic balancer. I happen to know it's this one. So what I would do is take those 3 bolts out. I'd take this large piece. It's got 4 options, and you can put the bolts through in any order. In my case, it's going to be these 3. So what you're going to do is just slowly thread in, and just make sure you're evenly tightening them in, even turn, so you're not pulling off the harmonic balancer like sideways or anything. Evenly tighten those down. May need a wrench or something if the harmonic balancer like mine is super rusty. They just seem to bottom out right here. So just tighten them down with a wrench evenly. And then this giant piece is going to be the one that's actually going to do all the work. So what I did was greased up some of the threads just a little bit. It just helps them to turn quite a bit easier. You're just going to tighten that down a little bit, thread that in, and when you see it coming out the other side like that, you know you're good to go. And next step is, you got 2 options here, this piece or this piece. They both have like a cone shaped tip, and what that does is, this is the piece that's going to butt up against the crankshaft, so just make sure it doesn't harm it in any way. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop this piece on. It just kind of suctions on. It doesn't screw on or anything. You're just going to push this on the bottom of the black piece that we just screwed in there, and then slowly screw it in until you can feel it, obviously when this is in the car, until you can feel it hit. I got another piece in here right now, but hit this silver piece right here, and it should go in very smoothly. And then you're just going to put a wrench or a giant socket on the end here and just very slowly tighten it. So turn it to the right, you're going to be tightening this bolt down, which is essentially just going to pull the harmonic balancer off of the shaft here in the car. And then when you feel like you can feel the separation, you can feel behind the harmonic balancer quite a bit, just make sure you have someone, or use your other hand and try to catch it before it falls. Just make sure, especially if you're not replacing it, you don't want to damage it in any way, or anything below it. But yeah, basically that's the gist of using this tool. If anyone has any questions, please leave them down in the comments, but I hope this helped someone out.